In this video I'll show you an alien figurine and parts made using Sculpey polymer clay and painted with water-based craft paints. The alien is about 9 inches long and I used tulip puffy paint for raised details. And here's a few more alien parts made using the same materials. Here's a 16 by 20 inch painting of Bigfoot I made using water-based craft paints on canvas. Bigfoot is taking a moonlight stroll along a cold and misty mountain lake.
Thanks for watching and have a great day. Please like and subscribe.